So, good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon.
children.
Afternoon, ma'am. Afternoon, ma'am.
Today we
Afternoon,
can
ma'am.
see, yeah, what all are the. So, in the last these old days, we were discussing about space, atmosphere. So, how to reach the space? mm, how these astronauts are working there. That all we see. What is the use of spacesuits there? That
Videos.
yeah, that all we saw it, right? So in this today we can learn what are the educational qualifications uh, to become an astronaut. If you want, if your ambition is to become become an astronaut, which all ways you have to learn, which all degrees you should take, or should we need degrees to become an astronaut?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
yes, yes.
Science and mathematics.
Okay, very good. Science.
Ma'am.
Who is that? Oh,
Ma'am.
Manu, very interested. Okay, you should learn science and mathematics. Those
Okay,
who like,
ma'am. Social.
those
Ma'am,
who like
social.
math and science.
Ma'am, social.
So social also. Geography. Okay, geography. They should know about geography, right? Huh? Because this spaces also comes under geography. Yes. So especially
Ma'am,
math and science. Okay.
ma'am,
Huh? Yeah.
unit used in space is astronomical unit.
Oh, okay. Richard, once again, please.
Unit used in space is astronomical unit.
Okay. What is that
Parsec and
unit?
light year.
What is that unit for measuring which measurement? We are measuring which measurement you are using astronomical unit.
Measuring in space.
Measuring what? Time? What it is?
No, ma'am. How far? How
Distance.
far?
Distance. Okay.
Distance,
Distance. For
ma'am.
measuring
Light
distance.
year is used to calculate time.
Okay, good. Okay, you are reading a lot. Keep it up. Okay, so here let me explain something about the educational qualification to become an astronaut. Ammo, yeah. What is your ambition, Ammo? Is to become an astronaut?
No, ma'am. My ambition is to become a doctor.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so after when I become in old age, I can consult Amur the doctor, right? Okay, okay. So yeah, so math and science, we should learn math and science, right? See, as to the
Biology.
qualification for the astronaut is preferably degrees, master degrees or PhDs in
Ma'am,
space, aerospace or aeronautical engineering. Okay,
if
master.
we study degrees, also there is one trick to study.
Richard,
Ma'am,
repeat.
ma'am,
Yes.
when we go to a space station to go to moon and test, we should float in space and all.
It's not clear, Richard. Okay. So before that, you were talking very clearly, but nowadays it is not clear. Please check it. So here, space, aerospace, or aeronautical engineering, masters or PhD degree in these subjects. Okay, engineering degrees in these subjects are required for the is considered as the educational qualification to become an astronaut. So, aerospace and aeronautical engineering. These how we can learn these all branches of engineering. Which all subject we should choose to learn these all engineering subjects? Any idea?
Ma'am, science.
Yes.
Ma'am, science.
Science. No doubt, science and math. That is, these are the main subject. So when you are in 8th standard onwards, you have to make your own vision. You have to make your own aim, your ambition. You have to develop one ambition in your life. Eighth standard onwards, you are, yes. Eighth
Ma'am, my
standard.
aim is making artificial intelligence car.
Richard, please
Ma'am, they
wait.
also
Okay,
learn
please wait.
how
Please
to
wait.
live in. Ma'am, they also learn how to live in space.
Sorry, Manu.
Ma'am, they also learn how to live in space.
Yeah. So that all training you will get.
Habits.
Okay. So from when you are a school child, when you are a school student, that time itself you have to develop that one. Then only you can choose that all subjects. So eighth standard onwards, you should aim that vision. You should make an ambition what to become in your life. Because eighth standard onwards, the serious studies are starting. Okay, and nowadays you are studying the whole subject, what math, what is science, what is social, that much only. But eighth standard onwards,
We
biology,
can choose our
three
subjects
parts
on.
are there. In biology, three parts are there. In science, three parts are there: biology, physics, chemistry, and social also. Three streams are there: politics, economics, geography, like that. So, a standard onwards, these all serious studies are starting. So, there onwards, you should decide what to become, what to learn then. After 10th standard, you have to choose any of the streams: commerce, art, then science stream. So to join in +2. So that all depend on what is your ambition. That all depend on what is your ambition. So accordingly you have to choose the subject. So when you join for +2, if your ambition is to become an astronaut, you have to choose science subjects with math, along with math. So after plus two, you can join for a engineering degree, especially engineering degree. So many branches are there. If you want to become scientist, space scientist, or this one, astronaut, you have to.
Ma'am, I have a space book.
Okay, Bharadwaj. Okay, so you have to choose space science. Okay, aeronautical engineering. You have to get admission to aeronautical engineering or aerospace. See, in here, this Trivandrum, ISRO. ISRO is there, ISRO. There, after plus two, if you are there, they may be conducting one entrance exam. So if you win that entrance exam, it is tough, somewhat tough. Okay. So if you are trying, you all can qualify it. So you will get admission in that space science, engineering in space science.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I
Ma'am, to become an astronaut, they will do some test on us.
That is all there. That is at the last. First, you should learn, so you should get some educational qualification. That is what I am explaining. What all educational qualification you should acquire to get selected to that post. Okay, first you have to make yourself. So in the Trivandrum, they will send you for, they may give you admission to the aerospace or aeronautical engineering. That is, these all degrees from the ISRO. They all have a big value. Okay, something very valuable. These all degrees are something valuable. So if you get a chance, don't miss that. You have to grab that chance. After getting engineering degree, you have to, if you are well qualified or scoring good marks, they will send you to abroad to get master's degree in the same space science. So, in order to become an astronaut or space scientist, this master's degree and PhD is also required. Hmm? These all are the educational qualification. Along with that, we should get some license for license for driving spaceships, aircraft, like a plane license or something. We should get it, and also gliding license also. Some clubs are there, so we will get these all licenses from there. These all are some of the licenses we have to acquire. After that, if you are selected for any space mission, they will give a lot of training. How to walk, how to eat, how to sleep, what all things to do. They will give a lot of training to them. But before that, before the selection, we have to make ourselves equipped with qualifications, right? So here I explained what all you have to learn. So here onwards, according to your ambition, you have to learn it. And not only that, when the scientist, Angelina, I will give chance, okay? When the scientists are there in the space, astronauts, when they are there in the space, they themselves have to repair everything. They have to repair all things there itself. Nobody, if our computer or if our any gadget is showing any repair works, we will call the person. They will come and repair it. But will it be possible there in space? Will it be possible there in space? No, nobody can go. No, only these astronauts are going. So they have to repair, they have to see these all things. That is why they are spending some time in this one, space station, to repair some programs in there and repair their technology, their equipments. So they should be equipped with these all knowledge. More than that, they have to do the experiments which all told them to do. That is why they are sent for that mission. So overall, they should learn everything about it. Everything about the life, everything about the technical things. So overall, the astronaut should know everything. They should drive the spacecraft. They should control the spacecraft. They should learn. They should do experiments. They should be a mechanic. So here I want to show a video on Kalpana Chawla, life story of Kalpana. Do you like to see that video?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Take it out. Take it.
Okay, so I will show it, but I can't say whether it will be clear or not. Maybe some due to network issues, it will be lagging, but I will surely send the link to the WhatsApp group in the class group. Okay, so here, yeah, so here you can watch it. Let me try it. Okay, children, mute your audio. So yes, Angelina, yes. Yes, see it fast.
Ma'am, I told okay, ma'am.
Indian woman in space. Let us study about Kalpana Chawla, who had to struggle hard in life to fulfill her dream of becoming the first Indian-born woman astronaut. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian-born woman in space. She was born on 17 March 1962 in Karnal, Haryana. She did her schooling in Karnal and completed her 12th from Tagore Bal Niketan Senior Secondary School, Karnal. After completing her 12th, she opted for her B.Tech in Aeronautical Engineering at the Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh, and completed the course in 1982. Kalpana always wanted to become an astronaut. This was not possible in India. She wanted to go to the place where she could receive the education that she desired. Therefore, with an aim to joining NASA, she left India and moved to the United States after completing her BTech in 1982. In 1983, she married Jean-Pierre Harrison, a flying instructor
Ma'am,
and
Malayalam class now.
the journey
6B.
of achieving her dream was not very easy. It took her 13 more years to realize her dream. In the USA, she completed her master's in aerospace engineering from the University of Texas in 1984 and her second master's degree in 1986. Thereafter, she completed her doctorate in aerospace engineering from the University of Colorado at Boulder. In 1988, Kalpana was offered the position of Vice President of Oversight Methods Inc. at the NASA Research Center. This was still a long way away from her dream of becoming an astronaut. Kalpana continued with her pursuit and she earned a commercial pilot's license for seaplanes, multi-engine aircraft and gliders, and then became certified for becoming a flight instructor for gliders and airplanes. Kalpana acquired US citizenship in 1991. This made her eligible for joining the NASA Astronaut Corps. She applied and finally in March 1995 she became part of the NASA Astronaut Corps. In 1996 she was selected for her first space mission. Kalpana's first space mission was scheduled for 1997. She joined the 6th astronaut team on Space Shuttle Columbia flight STS-87 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. Thus, she became the first Indian-born woman and second Indian after Rakesh Sharma to fly in space. Kalpana's first mission involved a journey of over 10.4 million miles in 252 orbits of the Earth. In total, she remained in space for 372 hours. Kalpana was selected for a second flight on Shuttle Columbia in 2000. Due to many technical problems and other reasons, the space mission was repeatedly rescheduled. Finally, on 16 January 2003, Shuttle Columbia's mission STS-107 took off from the Earth. Kalpana was given the responsibility for conducting the microgravity experiments. For this, the crew conducted nearly 80 experiments studying the Earth and space, advanced technology development, and astronaut health and safety. On 1st February 2003, a disaster occurred and Space Shuttle Columbia disintegrated over Texas during its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Kalpana, along with her 7 teammates, did not survive this. Kalpana Chawla had a distinguished career as an astronaut. During her service, she received the Congressional Space Medal of Honor, NASA Space Flight Medal, and NASA Distinguished Service Medal. After her death, NASA dedicated a supercomputer to her memory. In 2003, India renamed its meteorological series of satellites Kalpana. In 2004, the government of Karnataka instituted the Kalpana Chawla Award for recognizing young women scientists.
Okay, I hope it's clear to you, right?
Yes, ma'am, it was very
Okay.
clear.
Yes, ma'am. It was clear.
Yes, sorry, student.
It was very clear.
It was clear.
Okay, clear. Somewhat, some days it may not be clear. And you understood? It's not about
Yes,
clarity and all. Did you understand what it is showing?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. It was.
Ma'am, why do we learn?
the
Ma'am, why
history of
do we
Kalpana
learn
Chawla.
Yes,
mathematics
1 minute,
for
one by one. Yes, Manu, you are so interested. Yes, I want to clarify. Let me check whether I can clarify your doubts. Yes.
Ma'am, why should we learn mathematics for going to space?
See, see, mathematics is a important subject. Okay. Yeah,
We need
so
some
many
calculation.
calculations. So many calculations are there. Say, have you seen
In this
Chandrayaan 2?
distance, what will happen? That time
Yeah,
we have to take
yes,
it.
yes. See, we can only predict. See, in Chandrayaan 2 mission, you have seen each stage. See, when the rocket is going to that space, it is a huge body, right? After some time, after the first stage, the scientists have some calculations. After this much time, the rocket will pass these all miles, travel these all miles. After that, the first part of the rocket will detach from the main part. Understood? And after that, the remaining second stage, some second part will start to burn. Along with that, it can cover some more miles. So scientists have to make
Yes, ma'am.
calculations. Yes, scientists have to make calculations.
Thank you, ma'am.
The person who is good in math and also in science, they can calculate. See, nothing is there. We have to assume. If we move 3 steps, we will reach there. If we burn these liters of liquid fuel, the rocket can travel up to this distance. These all things we have to assume. Everything we are assuming, and we are constructing the rockets, the spacecraft, the satellites. So everything is in calculation. So Manu, now you understood why we need to learn math.
Ma'am.
Okay, I hope you like math, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, of course. Okay, so any other doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Simon.
Ma'am, I
One
have
minute.
heard
One
that
by
in the
one.
astronauts suit, they will carry oxygen tanks. Ma'am, so
See,
in many...
can you say some more loudly?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have seen in many movies, astronauts are taking oxygen tanks with them. Ma'am, so why the oxygen level is very low?
Because air is not there in space. Space is vacuum. There is no air in space. Not at all. It is
Ma'am, so...
vacuum. So we have to carry oxygen there.
Ma'am, ma'am,
You have said that
1 minute. 1 minute. I meant,
yes, ma'am.
yeah. Complete your doubt.
Ma'am, so in many planets, ma'am, so only in Earth there is air.
Yes, yes, yes. Up to that studies. Okay. So shall I move to the second person? Angelina. Gautam. Yes, Gautam. Gautam, your voice is breaking, dear.
Ma'am, there are no trees in space.
Gautam.
Astronauts go to the space, they need to breathe oxygen. So,
Yeah.
breathe oxygen, they will breathe out the carbon dioxide.
Okay. So they will breathe out the carbon. They should breathe out the carbon dioxide now. That all will go to that space. So they, from these equipments, they see there are some other sorry, some technology, other technologies are there to make oxygen, to produce oxygen also. So they can use that one. And inhaled, exhaled air, if they contain, if it contain carbon dioxide, surely it may contain carbon dioxide, they will exhale it on the space.
Ma'am,
Okay.
There
Yes,
are no trees in
Gautam?
space.
When carbon dioxide exits into the space, the oxygen also will go, right?
Oxygen, yeah, there is some quantity will be there, but that is not enough for the human being to live there. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
And there are no
Angelina.
trees in space.
Angelina.
ma'am, you send the note of our first page, no?
First page I have sent it, and then the rest of the pages also I will send it today.
See, ma'am, there was no clarity for that page.
I put the PDF format. I scanned and I sent now.
Ma'am, but it was
Ma'am, it is not clear also.
Okay. I will send it today also. Okay. Thank you for informing me. Yes,
Ma'am,
Tia.
I
Yes,
have
Tia.
sent a video. Ma'am, I have sent a video to you.
That video is not that much. That is why I will send it to the class group. That is, you have sent that without name. You send it. And any other Rohit? Yes, Rohit.
And what will happen if the oxygen in the oxygen tank finish?
If the oxygen in the oxygen tank will finish, they won't get any oxygen, so that may lead to their death. But fortunately, there are some arrangements to make oxygen also. Okay, they can't say how far they have to leave there. Maybe they may think they can return by 2 days, but sometime if they find some serious problem in their space shuttle, spacecraft, they have to repair it and they have to wait for 2 more days. So,
we can't consider they will make oxygen without plants.
yeah, there is some technologies are so much developed that they can produce oxygen also. Maybe. Okay. So they have all these calculations. That is why they have to take a lot of degrees. They have to learn more. Yes.
Ma'am, Kalpana Chawla was second time only when she was that came or first
That happened to her that time. Okay.
second time, ma'am, second time when he went.
Second time, I think first time they did not. I'm not sure about it. Okay, I'm not
Yes,
sure
ma'am,
about
in that video they was telling
After the first and second,
First time
the mission was
not completed.
Yeah, that is why. That I am not sure about that mission.
second time that
But second time that mission was completed.
But
But
return
when
to
they
the
returned,
just before.
that is why. So let me call. Adil is present. Adil.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Amna is not coming to my classes. Anina.
Ma'am, Angelina is yes, ma'am.
See, dear children, I noted down the students which I can see. So, which all students' names I am calling, I have doubt whether they are here or not. That is why I am calling them all only. Anina is present and she is simply sitting there without responding. Catherine.
Catherine is absent, ma'am.
Thank you. Tanya also absent, right?
Ma'am, Tanya is absent.
What about Blesswin?
Blesswin is absent.
Okay, thank you. So, you just read the textbook properly. I will send the notes today.
Okay,
also.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
But read the textbook clearly, okay? And if anything is possible, I will send these videos again in the group. Are you interested?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We are
Your doubts cleared or it become more? Huh?
It become more.
More. Okay. So next class also we can discuss. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice
Read
class.
the, don't forget to read the textbook.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.